So part of what we learned when we were first printing, like if you're printing a straight line longer than a meter, so a little bit over a yard, you have to introduce some kind of lateral support. So we would print a leg, something that butts out like a leg, or we would print, we were printing a cavity wall, two parallel lines. We would want to introduce some kind of structure into it. Because printing straight up is more prone to collapse than, like I was saying, the curve. So because we have this curve, I feel confident we'll be successful. But if this was just a straight line back and forth, that would collapse.